Why don't you have a go at making your own marmalade? It's really easy to make, and there's nothing more delicious than a thick slice of crusty bread, spread with butter and a good layer of your very own marmalade. Marmalade originated in Portugal, and the word marmalade comes from the Portuguese marmalada. Marmalade is a fruit preserve made from the juice and peel of citrus fruits, boiled together with sugar and water. The best known version is made from the Seville orange, which is a bitter orange. It has a thick rind and enough natural pectin in the fruit to set the conserve. But it's also made from lemons, limes, grapefruits, mandarins, sweet oranges, or a combination of them all. Experiment with your own flavours and additions to your recipes, and have fun making your very own delicious breakfast preserves.